guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today is Tuesday and is Tunisian Tuesday for my channel. So today we are going to learn how to do the Tunisian purl stripes. So this is a very similar to the previous tutorial that I did last week for the Tunisian purl stitch, which I will link up here. So the Tunisian purl stripes is a stitch that is the Tunisian purl stitch, but if you change the color at the left edge, in here at the left edge, if you change the color, the front will show, you see, this kind of pattern, and the back will show stripes, you see, like this. So you just do the Tunisian purl stitch, but you just change the color at the left edge. So I will show you step by step how to do this very beautiful Tunisian stitch. But first, I hope you are considering to subscribe if you are new, and if you are first time looking around in my channel. And of course, for everybody else who is following me for some times, I hope you are going to give this video a thumbs up. Watch it until the end. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook. You can just follow me over there as well. And without further ado, let's just get into this tutorial. So for this stitch, I will use two colors. In this case, I have this one and the white. I am using a 3.5 mm hook. So first I will start to chain the desired number of stitches and start to crochet the foundation row. So let's start the desired number of stitches, chain stitches. I will make a quantity. So once you have the desired number of chain stitches, we are going to do the foundation row. So insert the hook in the next stitch and pull up a loop, and then insert the hook in the next stitch and pull up loop, and just do that until the end of the chain stitches. So once we have the foundation chain, so now we are going to change color. So we are going to use the second color for the returning row. So I will do the first chain stitch here that we usually do with the next color, with the white color. And now I will just work off the stitches of the hook 2 by 2. Okay, so once I am done with the foundation row, so now I will start to do the Tunisian purl stitch with the white color. So I will pull in front the yarn. I will insert the hook from the left to the right, from the right to the left of the next front bar, and I will just work off the stitch like this. And I will work the Tunisian purl stitch until the end. Okay, so you can see that because I changed color, I have this kind of mottled pattern here, and then I have the stripe in the back, you see? Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I will just do the return row. So I will change, as I told you, on the left side the color. So the return row, I will do it with the next color, which in my case is this greenish one. So let's close the stitches 2 by 2 until I end up with one loop on the hook. So first chain, stitch, and then just close the stitches 2 by 2. Okay, so you can see how the pattern looks like now, and then with the same color we are going to work the Tunisian purl stitch on the forward row. Do that until the end. So here it is, the Tunisian purl stripes. This is the front and this is the back. Okay, so you can see the stripes. This is a pattern that you can use both sides. I think it's always nice, the stripes and also the mottled part. So if you keep repeating that, changing color on this side and go the return row and forward row with the next color and just change color and go on like that, you will have the Tunisian purl stripes. If you want to increase on both sides or decrease on both sides, I have a tutorial that I did for how to do the increasing and the decreasing on both sides for the Tunisian crochet. I will link that video up here so you can just check there how to do the increase and the decrease on both sides. Okay, so I will just work a few more rows, changing color with the Tunisian purl stripes, and you see the result. Okay, so this is how it all looks like. If you keep repeating the pattern and changing colors at the left edge, you will end up with this pattern in the front and this pattern in the back, which are the stripes. So you choose the pattern that you want to do. Okay, I really hope you like this tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you on my next one. Tschüss!